Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can schedule a post on TikTok using your phone. Something like this. Let's get started.
For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Now to schedule a post on TikTok, open the Safari browser and go to tiktok.com/upload. By the way, you can do the same on the desktop too. Anyway, then log in with the TikTok details. Now here, you should be able to select the files you want to upload, give appropriate title and captions, add a cover, etc. In most of the accounts, you will see scheduled post here. However, if you do not see a scheduled post here, then open the TikTok app, tap on these three lines and go to Settings and Privacy, then tap on Manage Account and then switch to a business account. Tap on Next and choose your account's category. So you have now switched to a business account. You can further edit your profile, but I will skip this for now. Now refresh this page or follow the earlier process by going to tiktok.com/upload. Anyway, so now you can see the scheduled video option here. Turn this on, allow. You will now have the option to choose a date and also the time you want to schedule your post. After selecting the preferred date and time, you can select a file from your phone, choose title, add caption and schedule. Hope this video is useful. Thank you very much.